Yeah, we're recording.
Alright. Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how to... Why is this here? I don't get it 1 second. Why is this here? This is...
It's for the next one.
What are you doing? Can you just... Silent. My dad is calling, I know it, but it's important. Alright. Never mind, people. So we are going to see how to unzip a bag. Alright? I hired a new person, so this will probably work. Seriously, just go and press that button.
Okay. It's not working. Okay, it's working.
Alright, things required. Seriously, what the hell is this?
It saves time.
Alright, anyways, things required. This bag. Alright, we got a bag.
Wait, hold on.
Now,
One second.
a lot of you might be thinking, I couldn't see anything. Alright, it's alright. So, things required is a bag.
No, I don't think we got a good shot with that.
Oh no, really? What the fuck? I can't see anything. Alright,
No, just give me a second.
I'm gonna fire you.
Yeah, that's better.
Alright, we need a bag. This would make sense, alright? Next slide.
Wait, hold on.
Alright, I'm just fucking firing this person as well. Seriously, what the fuck is wrong with the
It
editor?
saves time.
What?
We have a lot of work to do.
Alright, we got a bag under our laptop. Alright, next. So, in this tutorial, we're going to see how to open a bag. I want you to come closer. I can't fucking see.
What's this?
No, I just want you to come closer. Why would you take that stuff? Throw it away. Alright.
Oh, you want me to come
Yeah,
closer?
come closer. So this is a zip, alright? I'm not going to explain you what a zip is. So you better Google it, alright? You need to pull it this side, not this side, alright? It will not open. So yeah, you need to put all your strength. And there you go, you could open the zip. And what? We're going to keep the laptop inside and take it wherever the fuck you want, alright?
We're going to be learning how to zip a bag. Come a little closer, come on. Come a little closer. You gotta understand, in corporate culture, it's really important that you understand how to close a bag. Because in your bag, all your essentials, like your laptop, and all the other things that you need to take to your office every single day goes. And if your bag is unzipped, it is a really bad case of forgetting how to close a fucking bag. Didn't your mama teach you that shit? Did your mama teach you? Now go back a little. Let me explain how to close this bag. You see this bag? What is it right now, Arvind?
It is unzipped, if I'm not
It's open.
Yes, sir.
Who the fuck do you think you are? A Nobel laureate? We're unzipped. It's open. It's one word. Why are you telling 2-syllable words?
Sorry,
when I
sir.
need- Shut the fuck up when I'm speaking.
Sorry, sir.
Now look at this. This is an open bag. Now, all you gotta do is look at this beautiful little zip. You see it? Now don't come near close me. Just zoom in, Alvin. Are you capable of zooming the camera in?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just zoom in and show. You see this thing? This little dingly thing? That's called a zip. Now we are going to take that zip, take it all the way back, and close that shit. And that's how you close your bag.